The MSI Claw 8AI Plus is a significant upgrade over its predecessor, offering enhanced performance, improved design, and extended battery life, positioning it as a strong contender in the handheld gaming market. Design and build. The Claw 8AI Plus features a two-tone design with a sandstorm beige front and a black chassis, distinguishing it from earlier models. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable extended gaming sessions, and the inclusion of redesigned Hall effect sticks, triggers, and an updated D-pad enhances user interaction. Display. Equipped with an 8-inch, 120Hz, 1920 by 1200, IPS touchscreen, the Claw 8AI Plus delivers vibrant visuals with impressive color accuracy. The display's brightness, averaging 473 nits, effectively reduces glare, ensuring clarity in various lighting conditions. Performance. Powered by Intel's Core Ultra 7 Plus 258V Lunar Lake processor and Intel Arc 140V integrated graphics, the Claw 8AI Plus offers smooth gaming performance. With 32GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD, it handles demanding games and multitasking efficiently. Battery life. The device boasts an 80 Wh battery, a substantial improvement over its predecessor. In AI engine mode, it achieves up to 3 hours and 6 minutes of gaming on a single charge, outperforming competitors like the Asus ROG Ally X and Steam Deck OLED. Overall, the MSI Claw 8AI Plus addresses the shortcomings of its predecessor, offering enhanced performance, improved ergonomics, and longer battery life. Thank you so much.